Today I'll be talking about the source filter theory and how it gives an explanation to how we can create sounds and words out of our speech articulation. Now there are two main parts to this theory, which are one, the source, and two, the filter. And each sound has to have a source because it needs to be generated from somewhere. And for us, our speech sounds come from the vibrating vocal folds within our throat. And basically the filter part of the filter theory is how we can manipulate the sound into the shape or specific sound we want others to hear and how we want them to be represented. Now the source or the sound will go through the throat cavity and oral cavities, and since they act as resonators, the source vibration that goes through them turn into speech sounds. So for example, it's kind of like filtering coffee grounds and turning them into coffee. Without the filter, the coffee grounds are not quite usable, but after passing through the filter, they turn into a specific drink that's ready for drinking. Now this is just like the sounds that go through our own filter, which is explained through this theory. Because without our filter, it would just be a bunch of buzzing sounds that would come out of our mouths and we would constantly sound like bees. There would be no particular vowels or consonants. It would just be all similar metally sounds. And another example is the word doorbell. And the way that we say that is by changing the shape of our mouths. So the O's in doorbell makes our mouth go like O. We go doorbell. So that O shape with our mouth basically makes that sound come out rather than just a buzz. It makes a doorbell or like bottle, you know. And just the same, the end of the word doorbell makes our tongue go up to the top of the roof of our mouth. So if you try saying doorbell, you'll notice how your mouth changes, and these changes are just how we are able to articulate certain sounds and get our point across basically through our language.